huh?
Okay, this is my dumbass brother.
Wasabi Snooters remake.
The remake, real life shit, because you know they did it on Jackass, but I mean.
You gonna get your payment down?
Yeah, Jackass.
Ooh. Well, let me call him before he goes anywhere.
So, oh my goodness, I can't believe we're really gonna do this. It's pretty gross, bro.
Ooh, that sounds great to me. Okay,
There's this weak ass line.
You see, you do it.
Oh no, bro, that's just gonna burn.
Get lower so you can see my face when I'm doing it. Can you see me good?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Ready?
Yeah. You're done, bro. Do a little one right here. We're throwing up.
They do the casino when I get money. Okay.
You're dumb.
Bro, you gotta finish that. Got it, man. Got it.